Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. This is my book I am showing you. I entitled Missing People, Animals, Things Go to Anthony. Written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. In Tagalog, maligayang Pasko po at manigong bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Kumusta po kayo? Ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, na nagsasalita po sa likod ng video na ito. In English, how are you all? Happy birthday, Jesus. For those of you, it's Christmas Eve when you receive this video, and then the next day is the birthday of Jesus. That's all we are celebrating, the birthday of Jesus. And so we love each other as children of one God. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, speaking to you over the video. University professor, journalism teacher, and school paper advisor, outstanding teacher, president of the Teachers Association, New York City school teacher here in the USA, who I am, author, writer of 22 books. The first one you're looking at, Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, PSCD, MSCD. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy, and safe. And welcome once again to our Katinig consonants. And we continue with the rest of the Katinig or consonants in English. Consonant, singular, with S, plural, it all means the same word. Katinig, first syllable ka, second syllable ti, third syllable nig. Katinig, katinig, that's how it's pronounced. And we continue with pa, pa. Example, halimbawa in English, patinig, patinig, vowel, singular, with S, plural, it all means the same word. Patinig, first syllable pa, second syllable ti, third syllable nig. The accent is in the second syllable ti. Patinig, patinig, patinig. Vowel or vowels, singular or plural, the same word. And that's how it's pronounced, patinig. That's an example of the consonant katinig, pa. Next consonant is ra, ra. Example, halimbawa in katinig, consonant or consonants with S, plural in English, riyan, riyan means there in English. First syllable ri, second syllable yan. The accent is in the second syllable, riyan, riyan, there in English. And the next, katinig or consonant, singular, with S, plural consonants, sa, sa. Example, halimbawa, salita, salita, word in English. First syllable sa, second syllable li, excuse me please, I'm excited, third syllable ta, salita. Third syllable has the accent, salita. So that's how it's pronounced in Tagalog, bigkas, salita. Word in English. Ta, another katinig or consonant, singular, with S, plural consonants. Katinig, sa. We already did that, salita word. Next is ta. Ta, example, or halimbawa in Tagalog, talata. Talata means paragraph in English. First syllable ta, second syllable la, third syllable ta. Second syllable is where the accent is, so that's how you will pronounce talata, talata, talata. Paragraph in English. The next, katinig or consonant singular with S, plural consonants, wa, wa, wa. Example, halimbawa in Tagalog, wa, tawat, wa, tawat. Flag in English. Let's pronounce this. First syllable wa, second syllable ta. Third syllable, what. The accent is in the second syllable, wata, what. Wata, what. Wata, what. Flag in English. The next katinig or consonant, singular, plural consonants with S. Ya. 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 Example, halimbawa, in Tagalog. Yabong. 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 Grow in English. First syllable ya, second syllable bong. The accent is in the second syllable, yabong. 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 Grow in English. Let's review the next katinig that we started yesterday. Katinig, first syllable ka, second syllable ti, third syllable nig. The accent is on the second syllable, katinig. Katinig. Consonant singular with S, plural consonants. And we continue, pa. Pa. Patinig. Patinig. Vowel or vowels in English. First syllable pa, second syllable ti, third syllable nig. The accent is in the second syllable, pa, tinig. Pa, tinig. Vowel or vowel, singular, plural, the same thing. The next katinig or consonants, singular, plural with S, ra. Ra. Riyan. Riyan. In English, there. First syllable, ri, second syllable, yan. The accent is in the second syllable, riyan. 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 There in English. The next katinig or consonant singular plural is sa. 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 Salita. Salita. Word in English. First syllable sa, second syllable li, third syllable ta. The accent is in the third syllable, salita. 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 Word in English. The next katinig or consonant singular with S, plural, ta. 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 Example, halimbawa in Tagalog, talata. Talata. Paragraph in English. First syllable ta, second syllable la, third syllable ta. The accent is in the second syllable, talata. The second syllable is la. Talata. 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 Paragraph in English. The next katinig or consonant singular with S, plural, wa. 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 Wata, what. Wata, what. Flag in English. First syllable wa, second syllable ta, third syllable what. The accent is in the second syllable, wata, what. Wata, what. Wata, what. Flag in English. The next katinig or consonant singular with S, plural consonants, ya. 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 Example, halimbawa in Tagalog, yabong. Yabong. In English, grow. First syllable ya, second syllable bong. The accent is in the second syllable, yabong. 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 Grow in English. And I hope you learned something today with our continuation of katinig or consonant singular with S, plural. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love and light to us all. Happy birthday, Jesus. Every day we celebrate the birthday of ourselves as Christ. That's the teachings of Jesus. The Creator is within our heartbeats. See you all again, and I would like to thank all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so, and I appreciate you all deep in my heart so that you will be uploaded with all my videos. Take care, enjoy the celebration. Every day is a celebration of life. thanks be to God for the good life. And may the good Lord in our own heartbeats bless us all with long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love, and light to us all, right now and continuously. And so it is. Thank you all for watching again. See you soon. And enjoy your days always.